Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't seen you in a long time. I'm so sorry. I've been having some personal stuff happen in my life that has really affected me. Moving forward, it's gonna be really hard for me to get through this. It wasn't because I just didn't want to post. Like, I literally am going through something very personal regarding my family, and I just had to take a break. I hope you guys can understand. I do want to push out as much reviews as I can. So today I'm going to be reviewing e.l.f. brow lift. That is something I personally shook wow factor when I saw e.l.f. post it. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bree. I'm an LA-based makeup artist. If you want to join my beauty family, I would love to welcome you here. Let's just get right into the video. Oh my god, you guys, I'm very fucking excited to review this today. You guys, y'all already know that the ABH Brow Freeze is a highly controversial product. When this came out, I was excited to try it because it was not only a styling wax, but I love brow products that give you that laminated brow look. As you guys may know, I do soap brows. I do my soap brows with the Pears bar soap. I'm a huge fan of brow gels, brow waxes, anything that's gonna hold up my brows all day, all night. Over the years, I have used tons of brow products. Finally found what I love to use, and that is the Pears bar soap. I have used many different soaps. Pears is the best one. IH came out with this. I was so excited. I used it, and I've used it on my clients as well. What I like about this is that it is a clear styling wax. What I don't like about this is that it doesn't stay put in place. The only way I can get it to stay in place is if I put some alcohol in my brows, just on a little cotton pad, rub it between my brows, get absolutely every stinking crevice of oil, anything that could be on my brow hair. It's the only way I can get it to stay. So when e.l.f. came out with the clear brow lift, you guys already know I ran, is the clear brow lift by e.l.f. It claims to be a lifted feather brow long-lasting hold that won't flake, no appointments, no recovery time, infused with nourishing aloe. I already opened it up on TikTok just to show you guys how it looks like. I did touch it, so I know how it feels. I know how the texture is. I did go to smell it, and there was no fragrance at all. The only thing I smell is maybe like the plastic from the component. In comparison to both, the ABH is also made out of plastic, the component. ABH Brow Freeze retails for $23. e.l.f. Brow Lift retails for $6, so there's a big price difference here between the two. I did also pick up the applicator. As you guys may or may not know, I will remind you that e.l.f. is vegan and cruelty free, so I love that about e.l.f. in particular. This is the applicator, so it is a spatula top, and then it does come with a spoolie on the bottom. Personally, I don't know if I would use the spoolie. I don't like when product gets stuck on brushes that have a spoolie at the end, or applicators that have a spoolie at the end. I personally just like to use disposables. I'm a huge fan that e.l.f. did come out with the spatula. This can be used in your freelance makeup artist kit. This can be used to pull out foundations from the bottom of your container. It's a spatula at the end of the day, so you can use it for many things. This retails for $4. I also really like that it's available at Ulta, so for those of you who don't have a beauty supply around you or can't go to the nearest makeup store or whatever for your freelance necessities, maybe Amazon is back ordered, whatever the case may be, I like that they have this available. Personally, I would use this in my kit as a spatula, but like I said, I don't know if I would use the spoolie part. I just don't like cleaning out product from that. I have absolutely no makeup on, nothing on my face, just some Good Molecules hyaluronic acid serum that I usually put right after I wash my face. Also exfoliated with the Wishful enzyme scrub. I do have on some under eye cream, but that is absolutely it. I don't want any product around my brows. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take a little bit of the brow lift. The amount that I took is less than a pea size. I do have a clean disposable spoolie that I will be using. Let's just go. Okay, you guys, the brow freeze is on. I did use travel fan to dry it down because I didn't like how it was looking very glossy. As far as how the texture goes on the brows, it is very sticky, so my brow hairs didn't struggle to get pushed a certain way or anything, but it is a strong hold. You can tell just from applying the product firsthand. You're able to easily shape them and to like fix any details however you want to shape your brows. Easy to work with. It doesn't like dry down or anything, but when you use the fan on cool, it does help just harden the product. It's just kind of hard to explain because with the soap brows, it is sticky, and when you apply it, it is like a paste and kind of like wet, but it dries down hard, and that's what I like about soap. With this, it doesn't feel like that at all because it's very moisturizing because of the aloe. It has dried down because I could feel it. Obviously, I'm touching my face and I could feel that it's drying down, especially when I put the cool setting on with the fan. But the only thing is that it is moisturizing, and I just don't know how long it'll last. I have to wear it throughout the day, and I will check back in with you guys. But compared to the Anastasia one, I would say feels the same, looks the same. Anastasia feels like this at first, but then you go out throughout your day and it starts to fall and it could look flaky. So this claims to not be a flaky disaster. I'm gonna check back in with you guys throughout my day, and I will let you know how I liked the e.l.f. brow lift. Okay, you guys, it's been several hours later. I have been filming for TikTok all day. This is my final look, and you guys, I have some thoughts and opinions. So up close and personal, my brows have stayed in place. I feel like this brow just has more brow hair in general also, so it held up that brow amazing. My brow on this side has a little bit more less hair, and it's just kind of like more short and sparse. Nonetheless, it held up pretty well. The only thing I don't like that a lot of brow styling products have, and this is exactly why I prefer soap, because I feel like the soap gets so tacky and sticky and it just slicks the brows back, doesn't lift off of your face. So that did happen with me while using this. It is still very sticky to the point where if I touch my brow, I can still get that little stickiness, and I can just slick it back, push it into my face if I desired, if I didn't like it. Final thoughts and opinions. Is it something worth investing in or testing out yourself? I would say yeah, it's very affordable. It's not gonna break the bank, and just give it a shot. If anything though, I'm obsessed with the spatula. The brow lift is only $6, so like I said, is it something worth trying? Sure. Is it something that I might repurchase in the future? Probably not. I will get use out of this and I will keep it, but like I said, it's just I prefer soap, and that's just me. Other than that, it does make my brows look very nice and fluffy. I've had it on for 6 hours so far, and I'm impressed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's review. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on my next review.